this video on how to make this rolling dread. Hi lovely viewer, welcome back to my channel. My name is Helen Okoro. Please, if you have watched my video, have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share. Keep watching so you understand how I make this hair and how it is. The hair is always already 2 weeks, so I don't know what to do with it, so I said let me change the style just the way I'm doing it. Hold one on my right hand using the left hand to roll it till the hair is finished. Then I use rubber band to secure it for it not to get loose quick. Please watch to the end, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. God bless you as you do that. Please, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. See you on my next video. Bye bye. God bless.